Hi! If you want to learn to draw proficiently, Drawing Academy can make it faster and easier for you. All you need to know about fundamental drawing techniques is fully covered in the Academy's step-by-step video lessons. You may be able to copy from photos, but you fall short when it comes to drawing from life, memory, or your imagination. You might already have some pretty good art skills, yet you struggle with portrait and figure drawing, or perspective, foreshortening, and rendering tonal values. And you might not have enough time to attend courses at an art college. Here is the good news. Drawing is a skill, not an inborn talent. So with the right tutoring and enough practice, you can learn how to draw proficiently, whatever age or your current level of skill. It is never too late to learn to draw. In the Drawing Academy, you can study at your own pace in the comfort of your home by watching how to draw video lessons on any internet-connected device. This online course is led by professional fine artists and art tutors Natalie Ritchie and Vladimir London, who have taught thousands of art students around the world how to draw the professional way. We know how difficult it can be to make realistic drawings if you haven't spent many years studying art, or if you started drawing as an adult. To help artists like you, the Drawing Academy team prepared a selection of free video lessons you can begin watching right now. These free videos cover topics like how to draw a life model, how to use creative drawing techniques not taught anywhere else, and information on golden proportions. We'll also tell you about common drawing mistakes to avoid. When you sign up, you will also start receiving regular emails from us with additional bonus videos, lessons, and artwork critiques. It would be our privilege to fulfill your potential and help you elevate your drawing skills to the next level. Just let us know where to send your username and password to get your instant free access to the Drawing Academy video lessons. See you when you sign up!